بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
إذا زلزلت الأرض زلزالها
When the earth is shaken violently with its destined tremor,
وأخرجت الأرض أثقالها
and when the earth casts out all of its burdens,
وقال الإنسان ما لها
and mankind says, "What has happened to it?"
يومئذ تحدث أخبارها
On that day, the earth will narrate all its news,
بأن ربك أوحى لها
because your Lord sent a command to it.
يومئذ يصدر الناس أشتاتا ليروا أعمالهم
On that day, people will return towards their Lord in different paths in order to be shown their deeds.
فمن يعمل مثقال ذرة خيرا يره
So, whosoever does a good deed equal to the weight of an atom, he shall see it.
ومن يعمل مثقال ذرة شرا يره
And whoever does an evil deed equal to the weight of an atom, he shall see it.
صدق الله العظيم.